So in today's video, I am going to go ahead and show you what happens when you delete your gaming captures folder here within Windows. As you can see, mine is located in the C drive in this folder here called captures, which is what you see right here. So this is the location to where all my gameplay videos are saved. So let's go ahead and permanently delete that folder, as you can see here. All right, so that is all done. And then literally all you have to do, if you're worried about recreating your gaming captures folder, all you have to do is just click on open folder once again. And as you can see here, based on the current timestamp, today is the 17th of September. And it is currently 9:33 p.m. That is when the folder was recreated. Now, as you can see here, if you had a whole bunch of gameplay recordings in your previous folder, obviously once you permanently delete the folder, you will lose all that footage. But if you were worried only and solely about having the folder recreated, obviously just clicking on that button called open folder does the trick for you. So hopefully this video helps. This was a question that someone had commented on my video, so just letting you know that you don't have to worry about recreating the folder, but let's just make sure you have a backup of all your gameplay recordings just in case you do end up accidentally deleting it. This is Sean Sims Tech. This has been another video. Thank you.